Does a Mrs Lanthom live at this residence?
That depends who's asking.
We've heard reports of loud banging sounds coming from, this house.
Well, in that case, yes, she does. And what do you mean loud banging sounds?
Yeah, I know, it does sound quite strange.
Look, officer, I can assure you there are no loud banging sounds coming from here.
No, look, Mrs Lanthom.
Is this about the murder?
Wait, you know about the murder?
It's terrible, terrible news. I mean, what happened to him? He was only young. They say he had big dreams.
Is your, husband home, Mrs Lanthom?
No, he's not.
Where is he then?
He drove up to Auckland whilst I was at work.
You're sure he's driven up to Auckland?
What do you mean, am I sure? Of course I'm fucking sure.
19-year-old Thomas Brownlee was killed on this very street, Mrs Lanthom. His injuries suggested blunt force trauma.
Officer, I can assure you there have been no loud banging sounds coming from this house.
Look, I'm still going to need to come and take a look inside.
You have no right.
We can do this the easy way, or you can come down to the station.
Fine.
Thank you.
Look, is this gonna take long? Because I've had the longest day at work and I just need a shower.
Look, Mrs Lanthom. You seem like a good woman, but right now you are not in a good situation. I'm sure if you just give me a few minutes to look around, we can clear this thing up.
Fine, but you'll owe me an apology once this is all said and done, okay? I'll pop the kettle on.
Your husband, Mrs Lanthom?
Milk and sugar?
Where did you say your husband was again?
Driving up to Auckland, detective.
Without his driver's license?
Oh, he's very forgetful, mind you. I'm always telling him don't forget this, don't forget that, you know? Obviously he doesn't listen, does he? Look, I can prove it to you.
Hey, just wait right there. You're a Christian, Mrs Lanthom?
Catholic. That boy was too. Or, well, his parents were at least.
You knew him then?
What's gonna fall, detective?
What was that?
Nothing.
You know what, Mrs Lanthom? I think you're right. There's no loud banging sounds.
So, no loud banging sounds then?
Nope, no loud banging sounds here. Right, well, I must be off.
What was that?
Stay here, I'll check it out.
Oh my god, Neil!
No!
I've got to get you out of here.
No, Leslie, no.
No, I've got to get you out of here.
No, Leslie, it's him.
What?
You need to go. Go! Don't you dare.
I think I've found those loud banging sounds, Mrs Lanthom.